Instagram is officially launching a new feature called Remix, which offers a way to record your reel video alongside a video from another user. The option is similar to TikTok's existing duet feature, which also lets user react or interact with another person's video content while creating their own. Instagram's new feature has been in public testing before today, so some Instagram users may have already gained access. Instagram has planned with Remix when nothing that Snapchat was developing a remix feature of its own. In fact, Snapchat is also using the name Remix for its TikTok duet rival that's currently in development. On TikTok, duets are a key part to making the app feel more like a social network and less of just a passive video watching experience. Users take advantage of duets to sing, dance, joke, or act alongside another user's video. They will do things like cook someone else's recipe, record a reaction video, or even just watch a video from a smaller creator to give them a boost. Meanwhile, TikTok competitors like Instagram Reels, Snapchat Spotlight, or YouTube's Shorts, for example, have launched their short-form video experience without a full set of engagement or editing features like TikTok has, making their app feel like pale knockoffs of the original. Remix on Reels is a first step towards changing that perception by giving users at least one important option to engage and collaborate with their fellow creatives. To use the new Remix feature, you'll first tap on the three-dot menu on Reel and select the new Remix this Reel option. The screen will then split into the original reel and your own new one, where you can begin to record side by side with the original. When you have finished, you can tweak other aspects of the recording like the volume of the original video or your audio, and you can optionally add a voiceover. After applying these or any other edits, you can publish the remix. The feature will only be available on newly uploaded reels. So unfortunately, if you want your older reels to be duetted, you either need to re-upload them or go back to your old reels and specifically enable remix. Your remixes will appear alongside any other reels you have recorded on the Reels tab on the Instagram profile, and you'll be able to track who has remixed your content through Instagram's Activity tab. The feature is rolling out starting today, says Instagram. It will be enabled by default on all new reels published from a public account. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest tech updates.